Let's create a budget. Let's get out of debt. Let's build wealth. Guys, welcome back to the channel. So the next few videos is going to go over the infinite banking and velocity banking strategies and combining those two. But as the video states on this one, this is my story. So we won't dig much into it as not to waste anyone's time. If you want to learn more about infinite velocity banking, those will be in the next few videos coming up. So a little bit about me. I was a bicentennial baby. I was born in the bicentennial year in San Antonio, Texas. Something that's kind of unique about me is I was eager to get started in this life. So I was born in the ambulance. On my birth certificate, it says under the place of birth en route to the hospital. So I don't know if I have a photographic memory, but I've always been able to remember things. Even when I was little, I can remember details about the classrooms I was in, details about the bed at the hospital and what was on it. I can remember, I have a pretty good memory. I remember my favorite subject is math. And I can vividly remember as a little kid in kindergarten, sitting there doing math problems. And I just did them over and over and over. I just loved doing it. As I grew older, we moved from Texas to Miami, Florida. And Miami, this was during the cocaine wars. We lived in Liberty City. I had to drive through Hialeah because we went to school in Miami Springs. So after about 5 years in Miami, we moved to Waycross. And Waycross, Georgia was a little bit different than Florida, but one thing I remember about Waycross was a girl named Christy Dukes. She was the first girl that greeted me when I got there, and it was my first real interaction with kindness, and I've never forgotten that to this day. After I graduated high school, I started junior high, my last year of junior high in Georgia, and then I went all through high school and graduated in Waycross, Georgia. After Georgia, I moved to Alaska. I was in Alaska for 11 years. I spent about 4.5 years in Juneau and about 6.5 years in Anchorage. And then from Alaska, I moved to Oregon. I'm a fan of the Oregon Ducks. We moved to Eugene. This beautiful coast is probably the closest thing to Alaska's beauty that I've seen in any state. And then when my dad started falling ill, I moved to Nebraska. Nebraska, my sister was in the Air Force. She had my parents' first grandkids, and so they were all living in Nebraska. So I moved to Nebraska to be closer to my parents. When my dad passed away, me and my brothers, we were still spread out. We wanted to be close by each other, so we decided, hey, we may as well go where it all started. So we moved back to Texas. My whole life, pretty much ever since I started working, I've always had 2 jobs. My dad worked 2 jobs, my mom had 2 jobs. They worked very hard. So me and my siblings, we picked up a very good work ethic. But after working 2 jobs for so many years, it seeming to not really accumulate any wealth, I decided that there has to be a better way. So most of my young life was spent basically growing up in a church. So, the verse that says to search for wisdom and knowledge rather than silver or gold, I wanted to make sure that when I did start searching for wealth, I wanted to make sure that it was the best possible way of creating it. I'm not a real materialistic person, but to be able to give more to the church, to give more to help, fellow family and everyone else. I wanted to start and build wealth. And part of creating this channel was to help people, go through and find ways of doing what I've learned. So on my search for it, and I searched intensely, I spent hundreds and hundreds of hours of learning about money and finance and the way it works. And I came across velocity banking. And velocity banking to me is kind of like using a dollar more than once. It's using leverage to eliminate debt, to save on interest. And then I found what's called the infinite banking concept. So the infinite banking concept is using a whole dividend paying life insurance to mimic what a bank does. In essence, you can become your own banker. So I spent countless hours learning about these two strategies, and not just these two, but looking at what else could possibly do that would be probably the quickest way to build wealth and the safest way at the same time. And through my research, besides real estate, I found no better way of creating wealth. Wealth is basically you will never create wealth if you can't figure out how to save on taxes and interest. Taxes and interest is what destroys the common person, and it hinders them from ever creating or building wealth. So I had to find something, like I said, besides real estate, there was nothing else that I could find that could save on that taxes, and nothing better than velocity banking to destroy interest. So, and really through these two strategies, you're almost reversing it. You're paying negative tax because you're in the infinite banking concept. Through that whole dividend paying life insurance, you're paying 0% interest, and the interest that you're gaining can then turn around to be paid in taxes for the job that you're working at. So in a way, it's like a negative tax. And then as far as velocity banking, it's basically turning interest against itself. And in velocity banking, you become the banker and you start gaining that interest. So it was the perfect solution, to grow tax free like that. Besides a Roth IRA, and which is limited, to find something that's liquid as a checking account to be able to, use whenever you want with no restrictions. And on top of that is built in is that death benefit for your future generations. And this is a strategy. So I combine both of these strategies, and I found nothing better. And this is also a strategy that you can pass on to your kids and your grandkids, and they can all learn of these concepts, and basically your family name will be changed. So I've set out to combine these two into basically a program to where people can use, and during this process, I've learned different things, and by talking to people and learning how some people have money to start, some don't have any. I've learned different ways and to do this, and by creating this channel, it's what I hope to bring to everyone who sees this. So I structured it in a way that I think will benefit a lot of people, and just learning that it's not just a matter of doing this, but it's the discipline, the understanding of what you're doing, the decision to actually do it and to stick with it, and all of that combined. Hopefully within these next few videos, it'll portray what I have in my mind. Sometimes it's kind of hard to portray what you have or what you're trying to get across through video, but hopefully I can get all of this out and we can take this journey together. So guys, this was kind of an introduction to starting this process of velocity banking and infinite banking. Hopefully in the next few videos, you guys will get to understand it and start to use it in your lives. So I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.